Ever pondered on what makes the heart of your vehicle tick? Welcome, engine enthusiasts and curious minds alike, to the fascinating world of engine mechanics, where we peel back the layers of complexity and delve into the heart of the matter. In the next 7 minutes, we unveil the enigma that is the engine, breaking down the mechanics into simple, digestible steps. Step 1. Understanding the basics. An engine, in essence, is a powerful machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. Now, there are numerous types of engines, but today we focus on the internal combustion engine, the power plant of most cars, trucks, and other vehicles that run on gasoline. Step 2. The four-stroke cycle. Every internal combustion engine operates on a four-stroke cycle, consisting of intake, compression, and exhaust. In the intake stroke, the piston moves downward, drawing a fresh scoop of fuel-air mixture. The compression stroke follows, where the piston moves back up, compressing this mixture. The combustion stroke is next, where the spark plug fires, igniting the compressed fuel. Finally, in the exhaust stroke, the piston again moves upward, expelling the burnt gases out of the engine. Step 3. The role of engine parts. Each part of an engine has a specific role. The cylinders house the pistons and provide a space for combustion. The spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture. The valves allow the entry and exit of the mixture and gases, and the crankshaft converts the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion. Step 4. Engine configurations. Engines come in different configurations, each with its own set of advantages. Inline engines, V-engines, and flatter boxer engines are just a few examples. The configuration affects the balance of the engine, its size, and even the sound it produces. Step 5. The importance of lubrication. Oil lubricates the engine, reducing friction between parts, cooling the engine, and helping to keep it clean. An engine without proper lubrication can suffer serious damage. To summarize, we've taken an enlightening journey into the world of engine mechanics. We've discovered the basics of an engine, the four-stroke cycle it operates on, the role of different engine parts, the various engine configurations, and the importance of lubrication. Remember, understanding the mechanics of an engine not only quenches your thirst for knowledge, but also allows you to take better care of your vehicle, increasing its lifespan and performance. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing exploration of engine mechanics. Stay curious, keep exploring, and continue to demystify the world around you. Until next time.